Okay, A-level math students, this is question number 1 on the AQA June 2020 paper 1, the full A-level maths paper. Okay, looking at binomial expansion. This is question number 1. Question number 1 says the following: the first 3 terms in ascending powers of x of the binomial expansion of 9 plus 2x power of a half are given by this. Okay, where a is a constant. Okay, so we are asked to work out, okay, so state the range of the values of x for which the expansion is valid for. Okay, so step 1, I'm going to factorize out 9 to the power of a half. So we've got 9 to the power of a half, okay, brackets 1 plus 2/9 x, okay, to the power of a half. 9 to the power of a half just means the square root of 9. So we're going to have 3 brackets 1 plus 2x, sorry, 2/9 x to the power of a half. Okay, when it's asking for the range of values for which the expansion is valid for, is when the modulus, okay, of 2/9 of x is less than 1. Okay, so when the modulus of 2/9 x is less than 1, okay, rearrange this. So divide both sides by 2/9. Divided by 2/9, same as multiplied by 9/2. We have the modulus of x, okay, is less than 1 divided by 2/9, same as saying 9/2. Again, if you're unsure, just bring it to your calculator. Okay, so the modulus of x is less than 9/2. That's my answer for 1a. For 1b, it says find the value of a. Okay, so a is our first term. Okay, so remember, the formula is 1 plus or minus ax to the power of n, okay, from our formula books, or formula booklet, I should say, okay, for all exam boards, the power of n is 1 plus or minus axn, or anx, either way, okay, plus n brackets n minus 1 over 2 factorial times ax all squared, okay, plus dot dot dot. Okay, I know I'm going to obviously a bit be honest here for this question, but this is just in general in case you want to practice your binomial expansion. Okay, sorry about putting numbers here in the way here, over 2 factorial times by ax all squared. Okay, and then if you want the cubic term, it would be n brackets n minus 1 times n minus 2 over 3 factorial times ax all cubed plus dot dot dot. Okay, so our first term will just be 3 lots of 1, so 3 times 1, which is just 3. Okay, so the value of a is equal to 3, and that's my answer for 1b. Okay, but if you're wondering, okay, that's how we do the expansion. So make use of your formula booklets where appropriate and where necessary, and make use of your calculators, okay, where necessary. Okay, but always remember here, for the range of values here for which the expansion is valid for, is always when the modulus of ax, okay, is less than 1. Okay, so that's another rule to remember. It's when the modulus of ax is less than 1. You rearrange it by dividing by a, so you have the modulus of x is less than 1 over a, where a is just a number. Okay, so that's always for when we're looking at the range, okay, for which the expansion is valid for. Okay, that's question 1 done. Okay, I hope you found it useful. Okay, thanks for watching. Take care. All the best.